Hi guys, so this is a new intrusion detection system, and it continuously display how far is the nearest object is using this HC04 ultrasonic system, ultrasonic chip, and currently it's at 113. So I have set this value in code that if anything anytime this 113 gets decreased to sub 100, it will raise an alarm. So if someone passes by or someone tries to get in, you will see that it's showing some value. Maybe it's not very clear here. It's showing 8, and then okay, and this LED will glow. So this can be used to prevent intruders, uh, raise an alarm whenever someone passes by. Okay, this one is HCSR04. Okay, I'm coming exactly in front of the system, and I'm using Arduino Nano for the form factor, and this one is Nokia 5110 LCD display. So, thank you.